Eliza, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Melvin na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
I saw new colors in your eyes, a world so vibrant and alive, like fireflies in late July.
Melvin at Eliza, ang tunay na pag-ibig ay hindi naaayon lamang sa ating damdamin. Feelings come and go. Bagkus kahit anong mangyari, kayo ay patuloy na magkaisa, magtulungan at magmahalan.
We saw new colors on the sea. The tide drew us into a dream, as stars set fires across the deep. Your eyes lit up the depths of me.
Babe, eto na, after 11 years, mag-start na tayo ng new chapter. So, let us keep our love strong. And I'll see you later in the altar.
And you shine like summer skies. You light up my darkest night.
Babe, salamat sa 11 years natin. Finally, nandito na tayo sa stage na to. So, good luck sa ating dalawa. Ayun, kaya natin to. I love you, babe.
I'll never leave your side.
Hindi po natin kayang gampanan ang buhay may asawa kung tayo ay malayo sa Diyos. Pray together always bilang mag-asawa. And later on, kung magkakaroon kayo ng mga anak, ganun din, akayin natin sila sa ating simbahan. And we teach them how to pray.
And you are my morning light.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakalob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
You shine like summer skies. You light up my darkest night.
Nagkakalala kami sa school during college.
Parehas kami ng organization na sinalihan, which is the cheerleading squad ng Mapua.
And most of the time, base, siya yung nagbubuhat.
Alarm goes off, but you feel too weak. Your soul's too heavy for your feet. But now's the time. Open your eyes and know you're free to come alive. You gotta live it while you can. You only get one life. Look to the sky. Don't ever let it pass you by. You gotta live it while you can. You only get one life.
Ano siya, effort kasi siyang tao. Although hindi siya into words, kumbaga, makikita mo siya sa actions niya. And niya. Kumbaga meron siyang goal.
Pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa kanya, never siyang nag-give up sa kahit anong dumating sa aming dalawa na problema na harap namin. Hindi talaga siya bumibila.
Think you've given up, but now's the time.
Do not emotionally detach yourself. Huwag mong ihiwalay ang iyong sarili sa iyong minamahal sa buhay. hindi lamang sa pisikal na aspeto, maging sa ating damdamin.
It's time to stand up and fight. It's time for making it right. We only get one life, one life, one life. And when it feels like a lie, I'll be your reason to try. We only get one life, one life.
Hindi ko maalala. Wait lang.
Yung nag-first move, ang pagkakalam ko siya eh.
You can't know up till you've been down. You can't take off tied to the ground.
Naging close kami and ayun na, parang naging magbarkada na. And doon na rin siya nag-start. So as friends,
Parang nagkaroon ng konting lambingan, ganon. And then, luckily pumayag naman siya.
But in the silence we can make a sound. Everyone wants, everyone needs, looking for something to believe. When we get close, everyone knows, feels like we're going home. Everyone wants, everyone dreams, in the end love is all we need. When we get close, everyone knows, feels like we're going home. Feels like we're going home.
Eliza. Kailan may di kita pagtataksilan?
Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Everyone wants, everyone